vlogs, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in the hotel in so let's go. Go. It's raining! It's gonna rain, guys! Let's go! My cousin is wearing an umbrella. It's gonna rain about in 5 minutes. Let's go. Let's go! Why are you still in there?
There's a car.
Oh, there's a car! There's a car! You! Why are they still there? By the way, guys, this is my condo. Yeah, can I go under the umbrella? Yeah. It's raining. Thank you. Hello, say hello. Hello. Say hello, your vlogs. Hello, your vlogs. Let's go. Is this raining? Yeah, it's raining. Let's go into our condo. What is your condo? Condo. Where is going? Yeah, where we are. This is our comment. Yes. What is my car? The first one, the second one, or the third one? Comment down below. Okay. Go. Okay, finally I made it to my condo. What time is it? Bruh, why is it closed? It's locked. Okay. I'm gonna swim here in this pool tomorrow. Let's go upstairs to our condo. Go! Stay here. Go! Bruh. Come here, Mama! It's locked. I'm going to swim in this pool tomorrow. Mama? Mama? Open. Let's go to our condo. this book, guys. Let's see. Check this out. So cold here. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace. Ooh.